Hello friends. How to add a link in the Instagram bio. If this video seems helpful to you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First of all, you need to open the Instagram app and log in with your Instagram account. After that, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on the profile, you'll find the Edit Profile option in the middle area. Tap on it. Here, you will see the Add Link option. Tap on it. Tap on Add Link here. Now here, we will give a title and provide its URL. I will enter my channel's name here. And in the URL, my YouTube